It's connected to you. Connected to you.
Hey guys, babysit my dog right now. My cousin is out. My cousin is here, but like she's out the room with some boys, and they're scared of dogs. So yeah, right now I've been teaching her some tricks. Teaching her some tricks. The reason why I'm not using this arm right now is because I step on it the wrong side, and if I do something wrong on it, it's gonna hurt. Y'all, he love his y'all. Lexi, let's show them a trick. Turn up. He just went straight for the. She just went straight for the cheeks. Y'all, Lexi body. Like a mini.
And things I bought my girlfriend. These socks come with magnetic arms so you can hold hands, which really.
Y'all, excuse Lexi butt, but yeah. Thank you. Sit, no, sit. Don't sit on my computer. I'm sloppy. I spilled the dog food. I'm glad Lexi not gonna bite. Lexi not gonna bite me. She know better. So I just scatter this all over the floor and then just let her eat it. I'm gonna just scatter her. Just gonna have him scattered all over the floor cause she will eat off the floor. Y'all, Lexi gonna eat off the floor. If I wanted her to, baby, she gonna eat off the floor. We're gonna put one more, cause she's actually very hungry. She took her vitamins. She didn't even eat her breakfast or her lunch. So this is practically her dinner, cause she don't. Lexi. Here's another one. Y'all, Lexi almost ate up the whole one. Lexi, you're full? Lexi, you full? You full? Oh, I'm sorry. Lexi. Oh, you okay, Bubba? You okay? Wanna watch a movie? Let's watch a movie. You like, does somebody say movie? Lexi. Come here, boy. Come here.
No shoes.
Y'all, Lexi knocking down everything. Lexi, come right here. Oh, or sit right there. Here's a snack. Y'all, Lexi just chilling right now. We're gonna start Gym Paw Patrol. I don't feel like saying Paw Patrol. Lexi.
Woo! Adapted Mind Math.
Lexi.
Explore the site with me.
Come here.
I'm in first grade, so I'll take that. Neato!
Y'all,
A fun fishing
oh,
adventure!
she not hungry no more.
Okay, find the sunken ship.
Lexi.
Thank you.
Lexi, come here.
Don't worry, everyone. No flounder.
Lexi, come here, girl.
The cup is too small.
Lexi.
Paw Patrol, to the Rescue Wheels HQ.
Lexi! Y'all, Lexi is not paying attention, y'all. She wants to go out the door.
That spin was a world record.
Dog food smells so nasty. But yeah, guys, this is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye, guys. I'm done watching this, y'all. Bye.